Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the addition. In this video we will learn addition by counting objects. Today our topic is addition by counting objects. Some of the objects will be given to us, we will count them. Now students, here some of the pictures will be given to us and we will count them and find out the correct answer. Which picture shows 3 plus 1 equals to 4? Here we can see that there are 3 pictures and there are different colors of bars. Now we will find which picture shows 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Which picture shows 3 plus 1 equals to 4? In the first picture, if we see that 1, 2, 3, there are 3 yellow bars and 1 purple bar. In the second picture, we see that there are 1, 2 yellow bars and 1, 2. There are 2 purple bars. In the second picture, there are 2 yellow and 2 purple bars. In third picture, there is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 yellow bars and 1, 2 purple bars. In the 3 pictures, we can see that only first picture that makes 3 plus 1 equals to 4, as there are 3 yellow bars and 1 purple bar. That makes 4. I repeat, in the first picture there are 3 yellow bars and 1 purple bars. That makes 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Which picture shows 4 plus 1 equals to 5? Here we can see that there are different pictures. And we will see which picture makes 4 plus 1 equals to 5 by counting the stars. Which picture shows 4 plus 1 that makes 5? We will count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blue stars and 1 red star. In the first picture there are 4 blue stars and 1 red star. In second picture we see that 1, 2, 3. There are 3 blue stars. 1, 2 and there are 2 red stars. There are 5 stars in total. 1, 2, 3. In the third picture there are also 3 stars that are blue. 1, 2, 3 and there are 3 red stars. That makes 6. Now students, can you tell me which picture shows 4 plus 1 equals to 5? Yes, think about it. First picture. First picture makes 4 plus 1 equals to 5. There are 4 blue stars and 1 red star. That makes 5. Students, can you find out which picture shows 1 plus 1 equals to 2? Here 3 pictures are given. Can you tell me which picture shows 1 plus 1 equals to 2? Think about it. Let's count them and we will find the correct answer. Now we will count the shapes in the pictures. In the first picture we can see that there are 3 green pentagons and 1 purple pentagon. I repeat, there are 3 green pentagons and 1 purple pentagon. In the second picture we see that there are 3 green pentagons and there are 3 purple pentagons. That makes 6 in total. In third picture there is 1 green pentagon and 1 purple pentagon. Now students, can you identify the correct answer? Third one is the correct answer, as there is 1 green pentagon and 1 purple pentagon. There are 2 pentagons in total. Which picture shows 2 plus 1 equals to 3? Here 3 pictures are given. Students, can you tell me which picture shows 2 plus 1 equals to 3? Yes, you can find out. Now count the shapes again. In the first picture, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 yellow circles and 1 red circle. There are 4 circles, 3 yellow and 1 red circle. In the second picture, we see that 1, 2. There are 2 yellow circles and 1 red circle. There are 3 circles, 2 yellow circles and 1 red circle. In the third picture, 1, there is 1 yellow circle and there is 1 red circle. There are 2 circles in total, 1 yellow and 1 red. Students, you will find out the correct answer and you will tell me which picture shows 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Take your time. Second picture. In the second picture we can see that there are 2 yellow circles and 1 red circle. There are 3 circles in total. Which picture shows 5 plus 2 equals to 7? I repeat, 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Here we can see that there are 3 different pictures and different number of triangles are given in them. We will count them and find out the correct answer. Now we will count the shapes and find out the correct answer. In the first picture we see that 1, 2, 3. There are 3 green triangles and 1, 2. There are 2 red triangles. I repeat, there are 3 green triangles and there are 2 red triangles. There are 5 triangles in total. In the second picture we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 green triangles and 1, 2. There are 2 red triangles. It means there are 7 triangles. There are 5 green and 2 red triangles. In the second picture there are 7 triangles in total. In the third picture we see that 1, 2, 3. There are 3 green triangles and 1 red triangle. That makes 4. It means the correct answer is second number. Second picture is the correct answer, as there are 5 green and 2 red triangles. That makes 5 plus 2 equals to 7. In this video, we have discussed addition by counting objects. In the next video, we will learn vertical addition. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.